All right, family, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, holistic health, and spirituality. All right, family, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, holistic health, and spirituality. All right, family, I am back with another video to add on to our chakra series. Today, we are going to be talking about how to unblock that third eye chakra and how to know if it is blocked, okay? A way that you'll know that your third eye chakra is blocked is because you will be so confused. You will not even understand your intuition. It will be blocked. Like, you'll feel something in your gut. You know, we all have that intuition and we're like, hold on, no, that's not right. Like, or I shouldn't go there. But then you second guess yourself and you're like, oh, well, but it might be okay. And then what? Something bad happens, right? Okay, that's how you know that your third eye chakra is blocked. Another way to know that your third eye chakra is blocked is going to be lack of wanting to like do new things, like just being closed-minded. That's gonna be a way to know that your third eye chakra is blocked. Are you feeling like, no, I don't want to do that, or is there a good opportunity that you could be doing but you don't want to take advantage of it? Your third eye chakra is blocked. If there is a good opportunity presenting itself to you and you don't want to take it, I need you to do some meditations or something because your third eye chakra is blocked for real. We cannot be out here missing out on opportunities because our chakras are blocked. No, we cannot. So we need to keep these things activated. So later on in the video, I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Are you having difficulty like concentrating? You got brain fog. You'll be talking about something and then you'll be like, dang, I forgot what I was talking about. Your third eye chakra is blocked, okay? And it needs to be cleared. Are you feeling a lack of vision and clarity? Like you don't know what's going on. You don't know what your life purpose is. You feel like you're in your purpose, but you're not for sure. You just have no direction. You don't know what you're doing or where you're going. Then your third eye chakra is blocked, okay? Are you having headaches or eye problems? Then if you are, your third eye could be blocked. Because having head problems, your third eye is right there, okay? And if you're having problems and you're having headaches and everything, that's all to do with this chakra. So that means that that chakra is blocked, okay? All right. Now, to unblock the third eye chakra, I recommend meditation for everything. So you're gonna consistently hear me recommending meditation. Okay. So I recommend a third eye chakra activation meditation. They have it on YouTube, and you can also do a third eye chakra yoga routine. Okay, they have that on YouTube also. You can also do clarity meditations as well. Okay, now some herbs that I recommend using to unblock the third eye chakra would be blue lotus. Okay, it enhances your spiritual awareness and your spiritual insight. Another herb would be mugwort. Mugwort helps with your dreams. It will help you to remember them also, okay? And mugwort also helps with your intuitive abilities. So eyebright is another good one that's going to help support with your eye health, and it's associated with vision and clarity, okay? That's going to help with that. And you can incorporate all these herbs in a tea. And like I said, you can do the aromatherapy. You can find these in essential oils and you can put them in a diffuser. You might be able to also find these fragrances or these essential oils in an instant form also. And these are going to help to balance out and open up that third eye chakra so that you know and understand where you're going and what you're doing. and to help you get back and be on the right track. And it'll help you with your confidence and knowing that you're on the right track. Make sure you're engaging in activities that help you with your focus and awareness, which would be meditation, because you have to focus on your breathing in that, okay? Journaling, reflect on, your intuition. Make sure that when you're having these dreams that you're writing them down, okay? Keep a notebook by your bed so that you're writing down your dreams so that you can later on. Okay, so now another third eye exercise that you can do. It's not really an exercise, but it's an exercise. Now what you can do is close your eyes, and what you do is you focus on this area right here, and you kind of make your eyes roll back into it, and you kind of make your eyes go up here, and you can feel it activating your third eye, okay? When you need to activate your third eye, that's what you do. Close your eyes and make your eyes go up to here, and you can kind of feel it activating, okay? So try that. I do it all the time, and I can feel it. You can feel the sensation within here, okay? Okay, so some foods that are associated with the third eye chakra that you're going to want to use to help you to activate that and clear that out is going to be like nuts and seeds, purple vegetables. There's purple kale, there's purple eggplant, things like that. You're going to want to have like purple grapes, like blueberries, blackberries. That's going to help with that third eye. And yeah, herbal teas. Don't forget about your tea. And another one that I forgot to mention for an herb is lavender. Lavender is really good. Another thing that you can do to activate that third eye chakra is to wear purple. Purple nails. Shoot, I even had purple hair one time. But you can wear purple anything. Any kind of purple clothes. A lavender color. Yeah. Wear purple. That's going to help you. Now, some affirmations that you can use to activate your third eye chakra are going to be: I trust my intuition and my inner wisdom. I am open to receiving insights and guidance from within. I clearly see with my mind's eye. I am connected to my higher self and trust the wisdom it provides. And another great one is: my intuition guides me toward my right path in life. And another great one is: my intuition guides me toward my right path in life. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends. And remember, share the wealth, increase the peace. There's enough money out here for everybody to eat. All right, let's get that third eye activated. Trust your intuition. It is not going to steer you wrong. All right, I love you guys.